What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be installing some chrome window trim. It's gonna go right there, right along the window. As you know, flow from the badge to right there, right on the window trim. I got the crew cab version. It should still fit, but I'm gonna have 2 extra pieces. They're only like $60, so it doesn't really matter. The first step is you want to wash your vehicle. Get rid of all the loose dirt, so that way when you stick it, it'll stick good. It also came with little adhesive promoters too to help. Yeah, step 1, wash your vehicle. So I have a pressure washer. I like to use this one because it foams up really good and it leaves it pretty shiny, and that's what I use for the tires and the wheels. Just put it in here, fill it up with water. Let's test out that brake bomber for the video.
Huh?
Let's test out your brake bomber for the video.
No, I have it on me somehow.
Oh, for reals?
Yeah, it's fucking on.
Oh, I thought you had it. All right, we have the truck nice and clean. Now we're just gonna wipe with the adhesive promoter. Pretty good. Oh shit. All right, we peeled back the double-sided tape. Now we're gonna try to stick it on. It's kind of smudged already from working on it. Just hold it in place. If it sticks up, it'll stick well. She looks cool.
It's clean.
That's not bad for $60. Let me wipe it down real quick. You think it looks alright? Oh, one thing, it kind of does smudge easily, so you have to wipe it down. Oh, it should look pretty bad. Let's put this back. Gonna do the other side. Does that look alright?
That was good.
I'll wipe it down right now. So. Kind of looks better on this side. coming together. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Should I keep it like this? I know they also have like the gloss black ones that look kind of nice too. This will be a good thumbnail right here. That looks bad in the video and shit. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think. I'm also gonna be installing a grill pretty soon. It's a Lariat trim one, so yeah, stay tuned for that. We came to see if we could find a shorty antenna. My friend Brian told me they have them right here at AutoZone. And they have these right here and shit, hella ugly. They have a carbon fiber. I'm probably gonna go with this one. Hey, you just screw it on, or do you have to put all this shit on too?
I just screwed on, I think.
Yeah. It's $21. It looks kind of too small, huh?
Nah, it looks good. It looks way better.
Is how it looks with the new shorty antenna? Where's the old one at? The little one?
Yeah.
Hey, fucking my old one flew off, I think.
I don't even think you got it from the ground the other day when we were there.
No, I did. I put it back here.
Yeah?
That shit's gone, though.
Over here. That's the end of shit. Oh, no, it's right here. That shit looks good.
Wait, let's see. Oh.
Compare it to that one.
Yeah. Here's an old one. Fucking hella long.
The size of me and the size of you right there.
Here's this one.
The guy she tells you not to worry about.
Hella skinny, though.
That's the guy she tells you not to worry about right there.
Here's how the trim looks at night.
Yeah, it's all fucking smudged already.
I know.
You know, they wash already.
Get this side. It's a lot less noticeable at night. Only when the light hits it. We came to vacuum our shit. There's a what? Yeah, I can't tell that it's chrome though. Like when it's light, it looks almost black. Yeah, I like it though. You can't really tell that much. She's been eating the restaurant for a while now. Pretty dirty. could actually see the chrome.